Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Fall Guys error code LS-0013. And to get started, the first thing you're going to do is find Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. You're going to right click on it and you're going to select Properties. And then from here you're going to bring this tab up or whatever. You're going to go to Compatibility. And then you're going to check the Run This Program as an Administrator box. You're going to click Apply and then OK. Now once you have done that, you're going to go into Epic Games Launcher and find out if the game error has been fixed. If the error still persists, the second method what I can show you is to open up the Epic Games Launcher. And once that is open, what you're going to do is navigate to Fall Guys. Now once Epic Games Launcher is open, what you're going to do is go to Fall Guys. Actually, you're going to go to Library. From here, you're going to basically click on the three dots, the three horizontal dots. You're going to go to Manage, and then you're going to click on Verify Files. Now once that is done verifying, you're going to go and check to see if Fall Guys is not working. After this, the error code should 99% it should be fixed. However, if there is still the 1% chance the error code has not been fixed, the final and last method what I can tell you guys to do is delete Fall Guys and reinstall it. And then once you have done that, restart your PC, and that should be it. That should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.